Hi, my name's Nicole Gailey with the Odell Group at 7 Gables Real Estate, and I want to introduce you to our newest listing here at 13362 Epping Way. Now, this property is conveniently located at the end of a cul-de-sac. Freeway access to the 5 and 55 is only minutes away, as well as having great shopping that's nearby in the Tustin marketplace. This home was newly renovated only 5 years ago, and they did some great additions to the home. It looks like a two-story, but really lives as a one-story. You have the master, 2 bedrooms and 2 baths downstairs, as well as upstairs you have a bathroom, a bedroom, and a kitchenette area. So you could use that with its separate entrance as either an ADU or maybe some potential rental down the road, or just additional bedrooms for your home. The property also offers a wonderful entertaining backyard with shade, a low maintenance and astroturf, as well as this lovely vineyard on the side yard that I'm standing in with a plum, avocado, citruses, and apple. So let's go take a look inside. Thanks so much for taking a tour of the home with me. And if you have any interest, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you.